Namaskaram friends, welcome to StockEdge. Myself Tufan from the StockEdge research team. If you're not aware, StockEdge is a SEBI registered platform. So May series is over, one of the longest series in recent past, right? And we have closed on a positive note following the global cues. Today market opened higher. You can see it opened higher because US court ruled out Trump's tariff policy and said that Trump is following something which exceeds his presidential power. So that's the reason not only Nifty but all over the world global stocks or global index are in green today, right? But on intraday basis, Nifty came down, and again at the fag end you can see it went up and closed around 24,880. But the question is, from tomorrow June series is going to start, and what is going to happen from tomorrow or in the near future, right? So for that, let us go to a weekly chart in Nifty. So this is weekly chart of Nifty spot, you can see. Now interestingly, for the last 2 weeks, though this current week is not yet over, one day is still left, it has not crossed 50% of this green candle, right? So it has not crossed 50% of this green candle. It has not given a close below 50% of this green candle, which shows that there is lot of positivity or buying still happening in the Indian market, right? But for Nifty to go higher from here, we also need to track Bank Nifty. But before proceeding to Bank Nifty, let us show you the levels in Nifty. The immediate levels that you need to track here are, on the upside it should be 25,000, and on the downside it should be 24,700. Mind you, these are all short-term levels, so you need to track these levels, right, minutely. Either side breakout will see a new movement in Nifty. Now let us quickly go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I have opened daily chart. I have opened daily chart in Bank Nifty, right? And you can see that interestingly, it is in a squeeze mode. It is in a squeeze mode in Bollinger Band, right? I have explained you earlier that there are few patterns in Bollinger Band. So this is, you can say, a pinch pattern. After a pinch pattern, it comes a squeeze pattern where volatility gets squeezed, correct? So this is a squeeze pattern. And after this squeeze pattern, you will always find a spurt where you will see, this is a spurt where you will see expansion in volatility. Now whether truly volatility is getting contracted or not, you can go to India VIX. Here you see in India VIX also, after making a top around this zone, you see how it is decreasing, and for the last few days it is in a squeeze mode as well, correct? Now quickly get back to Bank Nifty. So after this squeeze pattern, there will be spurt obviously, right? But on short-term level basis, you need to track 56,100 on the upside, and on the downside you need to track 54,500. So these are short-term levels in Bank Nifty that you need to track. So let's have a look at Nifty mid cap. So people are buying lot of mid cap stocks. Why I am saying this? Because you see that I have extended a downward sloping trend line from this high around September end. You can see this dotted line, right? And today, interestingly, it has given a closing above this particular trend line. That means it's a breakout, correct? So people are focusing in lot of mid cap stocks. So this is a positive signal, I can say, right? So for the timing, you can say that positivity will prevail until and unless some negativity pops up or maybe some LOC events happens, right? So till then, enjoy the market and have a great trading session tomorrow. Goodbye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.